Here we are, LevelRunner.com here with race winner of the New Bedford Half Marathon, Hilary Dion. First of all, congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
Now, walk us through the race. How did it play out, and what was your time?
I tried to just stay with some of the men that I felt like would be running a pace that I was hoping to run. So really pushed myself to stay in a pack, which it's easy to get kind of separated and stuck out there in the wind by yourself. So I was working with a few other people from the BAA and just tried to stick with them and stay tough through until the end. My time was a 1:14:01.
That's solid.
Which is a PR.
Good to
but
hear.
It would have been nice to go under 1:14, but I did slow down at the end on the hill. It got a little windy.
Yeah, that is the notoriously difficult part of the course.
Yeah.
So, it is what it is. But what do you got next on the training block after this?
Running Boston, so
Really?
maybe something in between, but otherwise Boston's the next.
Now, what's the goal for that?
I ran a 2:35 there last year, so we'll see. Improving on that would be the goal, but just to be competitive again and have a good race there.
Excellent. What do you think you're capable of after today? After knowing what you ran today?
I think I can repeat that. It'll all depend on the conditions. And,
Not even go under if you go under a minute. Run the 2:34.
Yeah, I was in the. I think it was 2:35:10 or something. So yeah, to go under 2:35.
That'd be good.
Definitely be my goal.
Excellent. Well, congratulations once again, and thanks for the time.
Thank you.